take a look at this multi-step expression. Now, at first glance, it may seem a bit confusing because you have some subtraction going on, multiplication, addition, division, brackets. So you may be wondering, okay, where do I start? One strategy that you can use is PEMDAS. Universally, there is an order in which these operations would have to be done. PEMDAS is just one way that you can use to remember the order of operation. Now, there are different ones out there. You can use the one that you feel comfortable with or you think you're going to remember best. But essentially, it's the same thing, the same order. You clear your brackets first. So the P stands for parenthesis, which would be your brackets. Then E for exponents. The M is for multiplication and the D is for division. The A is for addition and the S is for subtraction. Now there's something super important that you have to keep in mind. You clear your brackets or your parentheses first, followed by your exponents, but you multiply and divide in the order in which they appear. So if division was first and then multiplication, then you would divide and then multiply. All right? If multiplication was there before division, then you'd multiply and then divide. So you divide and multiply in the order in which it appears in the expression. Now, when you're finished multiplying and dividing, you move to addition and subtraction. And it's the same thing. You add and you subtract in the same order that you see them. Good? So it's parenthesis, then exponents, then your multiplication and division, then your addition and subtraction. Okay. Let's take a look at our expression. So P parenthesis, we're seeing 24, take out 4. So let's clear that first because we're doing our parenthesis first. And 24, take out 4 is 20. Let's move on to 4 plus 1. Remember, we're doing all the brackets first. 4 plus 1 is 5. And let's move on to 7, take out 4. Take out 4 is 3. So now that we've successfully cleared all our parentheses, pop our symbols back in, we ask ourselves, okay, next is exponents. Is there any exponents? No, we're not seeing any exponents in our expression. So we move on to multiplication and division. Now remember, we said that you multiply and divide in the order in which you see them. So in this case, you receive division and then multiplication. So you would have to divide and then you multiply. And 20 divided by 5 is 4. And let's put that back, multiply by 3. So now you have 4, we multiply by 3 is 12. So there you go. We have simplified our multi-step expression. Just always remember, you are following the universal order of operations. You clear your parentheses first. In parentheses is just a fancy term for bracket in math. So you clear your parentheses first, then you check to see if there are any exponents, and if there are, that's what you look at next. Then you multiply and divide in the order in which you see them. And when you're finished with all your multiplication and division, then you do all your addition and subtraction. In this case, when we looked at this expression, we subtract, 7 take out 4 first because they were sitting inside our parentheses, right? And we needed to clear all the parentheses first. So just follow your order of operation. Use the one that you feel comfortable with. There is PEMDAS. There's a lot more out there. You can do your own research and see which one you like best. Okay? Go around and play around with this. Do some on your own. Practice. And all the best.